Okay, here's the final outcome before cutting and buffing. That orange peel will come out with a cut and buff, but you can see how clear it is. This was the damaged spot. You can't see it no more. You can see the mirror. It's there. It just needs to be buffed out. Get rid of the little orange peel. This is the door that I did 2 days ago. It has not been buffed out yet either. It's in the same spot that the rear panel is. This is the well, it's raining. We're not going that far out. So that's the finished panel. And you can see where it changes here at the hood, at the gas lid. This was the previous paint job. And this is today's. So overall, for 2 8-ounce cans of base coat and 1 can of clear and several sheets of sandpaper. This is what I finished with. For a driver, I would leave it. You could leave it there. It still looks good. It's got orange peel. Like I said, it's not a $10,000 paint job. But I'll tell you what, it's a hell of a lot better than it was. Next step, cut and buff.